This is a video to show you how to create homepage visibility within App Studio. So if you go into your homepages as usual and then click one of these, scroll down. So this is where you'll either put in an image or a dashboard, depending, and then down to visibility. So this is where you will choose either a team or a user or multiple teams and users in order for them to see the homepage. So you could click, for example, soft tools, or you could have a specific user and then click save. And that's all you need to do. So something to note is that this will not show up in Workspace unless you have logged out and logged back in again, because it is a site level change rather than an app level change. So if you just try and resync one of your apps, it won't show up. So you'll need to log out and log back in. Thank you very much.